Hey, it's Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen, independent designer with Chalk Couture. So today I'm making a simple, easy design for you for a newborn baby's room. And this is gonna be so sweet. I can't wait for you to see it. So if you know somebody having a baby or a new mommy and daddy, this is the perfect thing for them to display on their newborn's wall. Now I'm using our 9x12 Aiden chalkboard that we do offer at Chalk Couture. This actually comes in a black or white frame. Obviously I'm using the white one. And all of our chalkboards are a porcelain steel magnetic chalkboard and offer a 50-year warranty. I am going to be using our Your First Breath silk screen reusable transfer that we offer. And remember, you usually can get anywhere from 8 to 15 uses out of one of our transfers, which is really, really cool. And then I'm going to be using our Chalkology chalk paste. Now, our chalk paste is a special formulated chalk paste that is created by the founder of our company. You can't find anything else out there like it. It is semi-permanent and water soluble. And what that means, if at any point in time you want to change out your design, you absolutely can do that. So please be sure to check out one of my other videos because I actually show you how that process works. Now the steps are really easy, and by the way, if you purchase products right through my website, all of the transfers actually have the directions right on the back for you step by step to show you how to use them, so really cool. Now you're going to apply your transfer to your surface, you're going to get your chalk paste, you're going to mix it up, you want to make sure it's like a yogurt or sour cream consistency, you apply the chalk paste, you remove your transfer, and voila, you have a beautiful design. So if you'd love to learn more about purchasing our products, you can do that right through my website at chalkinwithjen.com. If you'd love to learn more about being a designer like me or hosting a sip and chalk if you're local to me, again, just reach out to me via Facebook, message, or again, right through my website. But I hope you love the end result. I thought this turned out absolutely beautiful. And how sweet would this be for a newborn baby or a baby shower gift? So once again, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to see all my fun crafty videos. And thank you for taking the time to watch. I hope you love the end result.